I'm going to be showing you the OCR-Text Reader. So here it is. And this is one of my favorite projects and one of my most shortest projects. And it's very easy to do, and it just needs some library installs and download Tesseract OCR. It's not even that large. So let's start. So what does this do? It reads text from scanned images. So as you see here, let me search up jokes. Example, there's an image here. What it's gonna do is that it's gonna read an image, and then you can just save as in the same folder over here, and you can just write the name here. And then what PyTesseract does, it converts this image to string, and you can choose whichever language, and then you just print it. And this was another like photo. It's like a photo test. It's a TIFF file. You can use JPG and PNG. It works completely fine. So as you see here, there was this text on this photo, and it worked. And I'm gonna be using this jokes one, and let's try it. So I'm gonna be going to this folder I have in my desktop, and I'm gonna be doing this from scratch right in front of you guys. So I have these libraries installed, but I'll still show you how to do it. Jupyter, no. Let me show you. So you go on CMD, and what really important is you run as administrator. Then it asks you, do you want to make changes to your device? Say yes, because it's completely fine. Now you do pip, straight in right here. Install pillow. Already have installed, so yeah. It's only one like installation, so it should complete pretty fast. And now you don't have to do this pip install pill because it gives you an error. Now I'm gonna do pip install PyTesseract. Those both install very fast for me. And yeah, it's only these two. There's only 2 downloads, and then it should be fine. So once you have done that, then you go to download Tesseract OCR and create a folder. I want you to create a folder first. I already have one that's by the name of OCR. And what you do is you just put in the same like folder file. I go over here, and then you open. And what I just did is I copied this, put it in a browser, downloaded in the same file as OCR, the folder I just created. Now you open this, and do you want to make changes? Yes. And English, next. I agree. Install just for me. Yep. Wait, change it to install for anyone using this computer. Yeah, and now it should ask for the file, the file location. So I just wanted to put it on. Let me go over here, copy this file location. So you press. So let me show you what I just did. What I did is, let me go back. I press this bar. This should be empty. Double click and highlight everything, and then just press this, and then paste that right here. And then you do okay. And I have a lot of GB available, so this should be fine. Then you press next, and yeah, the name's fine. Press install, and installation was complete. That was fast. That's nice. Now I can finish, and as you see here, it should. Yeah, there you go. That's all the PyTesseract. Don't remove anything, then it gives you an error. Okay, this is all. And once you've installed the libraries, you're all set. Let's start it. Also gonna be doing save image as to this picture. And let me go to OCR. Yep. And I'm gonna change the name to jokes. And can you guys hear me alright? Yep, you guys can. Okay. So let me go back to this folder. I already have a Jupyter notebook open because just to make it fast. And let me make a new Python 3. And what you basically do is just come over here. Where to go? There it is. Over here, Then you do pip. You just copy this following code, and there you go. Let me go back here and paste. Now I have this. It's called jokes.jpg. Let me just confirm it's in the same folder one more time. Yeah, there it is right here. And then you run it and let's see if it works. Why do we tell actors to break a leg, guys? Because every play has a cast. Ha, that was so funny. Oh, there we go. Let's go. It worked. And here's one thing I really use. I think, yeah, it's a good project. But what do you else can use? So here's a very important thing I use to tell this. I use this every time. Example, you're looking at a long tutorial. Like, let me just give you an. That's just a Python code, just example. You're looking at a long tutorial, long piece of code. Look, you have to write so much. Here's what you do. You basically just snip using your snipping tool, and you just paste it in this code, and you get all this code with all the indents as you see here. Let me show you back here. Where's that jokes thing? As you see, there was like all this inverted commas. It was all here. So it perfectly works. So this is why I use this a lot, and it's amazing. So yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this project. Bye, guys. Let me show you another one of my favorite jokes. What do you call a fake noodle? An imposter! Ha 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 ha! Wait, an imposter?